Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to Rumah Belajar AhundrEd. In this video, we are going to solve the question about function, right? So you find the domain and the rank of the function. So we'll find the rank and domain of fx equals to 1 over x plus 3. And how do you find the f inverse? This mean inverse, right? F to the power of negative 1, or you call f inverse of x. Okay, so how to find the domain and the rank? Remember, if you have a rational function, to find the domain, so domain when denominator not equals to 0. Denominator not equals to 0. So the domain means we find for the area of x, right? The region of x. So x plus 3 not equals to 0, then x not equals to -3. So what is the domain? Domain is x not equals to -3 and x element real. It means that x is all infinite, all negative infinity. Sorry, negative all number start from negative infinity to infinity except for -3. So -3 not included. This is in graph we call asymptote. So asymptote is the line doesn't touch. It's make as like a hole. For example, this one. So in this line, for example, this is -3, or let's say like this -3. This one. So when line go like this one is the hold. -3 is not, doesn't have the area, so this is not. And then x is start from this until this. It means the meaning of asymptote. Okay, so how about the rank? Rank is a, right? The rank is you find the horizontal asymptote. Horizontal asymptote. Okay, how do you find horizontal asymptote? You look at the power. So the highest vowel, for example, when you have x 1 over x 1 over x plus 3, sorry. So our fx is 1 over x plus 3. So to find the horizontal asymptote, you look at the vowel of numerator and the vowel of denominator. If there are the vowel of numerator less than the denominator, so the horizontal asymptote is y not equals to 0. But if the vowel of numerator equals to denominator, for example, this is I give you another example, right? So for example, 2x squared plus x squared plus 1. This is the power of denominator, same as the power of, the power of numerator, same as the power of the numerator. So it will be y not equals to the coefficient of numerator over coefficient of denominator. So if n equals to 0, but if n greater than t, it doesn't has, it doesn't have a horizontal asymptote. Asymptote. Okay. So in this case, you have the numerator, the power x power of numerator less than denominator. Why I say like that? Because in this one is x power 0, right? 1x power 0 is 1. So this x power 1. So it means 0 less than 1 for the denominator of the power, right? So it means y not equals to 0. So for the rank of that function is y not equals to 0 and y element real. So that one for how you find the domain and range. How about B? Find the inverse. Okay, B is how do you find the inverse of fx? That our fx is 1 over x plus 3. Remember, for find the inverse, first of all, perhaps fx equals to y. So your y equals to 1 over x plus 3, right? Sorry, this is x plus 3. Okay, after that, you make x as the subject. So how do you make x as the subject? You cross multiply of this function, right? So when you cross multiply, you have xy plus 3y equals to 1. Because we're going to find x as the subject, or we're going to make x as the subject, it means we cancel this by everything you subtract with x 3y, or a simple way you just put it move here to there, right? So you have xy equals to 1 minus 3y, and then because we're going to find x only the subject, so it means 1 minus 3y out of y, and you have f inverse x equals to inverse, yeah, equals to 1 minus 3 everything x, I mean everything y here you change with x, so this is x, right? So over x, so boom, this one is the inverse of that one. Okay, you got it, bro? This is how you find the inverse. Okay, thank you for your attention, and I hope you understand this concept and try to another question that similar to this question that you can do. Okay, so see you and goodbye.